Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. Today's footage comes from Midwest Safety. If you want to watch the original video without my commentary or breakdown, I'll have the full footage linked below so you can watch it start to finish. What starts as a routine traffic stop over mismatched plates seems pretty straightforward at first. But pay attention to the moment officers realize there's another person sitting in the back seat they didn't notice right away. Up until then, everything appears calm and under control. Then the entire focus of the stop suddenly shifts, and the situation quickly starts escalating from there. The breakdown starts now.
Hi.
Hey, how are you guys?
Okay.
Officer Cracker, Boise Police. The reason I'm stopping you is registration is expired.
It is. I just got it from my dad. Wait, no, it's not expired.
Okay, so here's the issue, right? That's not the license plate that's on the car.
Well, what do I do if I don't have the new plates delivered yet?
Take the old plates off.
Oh, I don't know. My dad was the one handling everything.
So yeah, as long as if you take the old plates off and just leave the temporary registration in the window, yeah.
Okay.
As long as you have a temporary registration in the window, you're okay.
Watch the shift here. Officers are starting to realize there's more going on inside this car than they first thought, and the attention is about to move straight to the back seat.
Dude in the back, I didn't see him at first.
Yeah, I didn't. I barely saw him as I walked up there. Wondering if he's got a warrant.
Yeah, and he doesn't have a seatbelt on.
Let's see if I can get the back seat passenger's ID.
Yeah.
Here's this bag.
Thank you.
And then, can you roll the back window down for me, sir? This one?
No, there's no reason to.
This one? There is actually. I need to ID him.
Dad, I
do. He's not wearing a seatbelt.
What time is he in?
He's not wearing a seatbelt. It's a citable offense, so I need to know who I need to write that citation to.
Watch where the deputy's attention goes next. The moment they start focusing on the guy in the back seat, the entire tone of this stop begins to change.
Hey, sir. Let me see your hands, please. Hey, sir. Back seat. I need to be able to see your hands. Show me your right hand.
You care if I wake him up?
Sir, back seat. Show me your right hand. Okay. Keep that where I can see it. You understand?
Now pay attention to this next request. Once deputies ask the driver to unlock that back door, you can feel the stop starting to shift in a completely different direction.
Driver, unlock the car.
You're not getting me out the car, homie.
Go ahead.
You're not getting me out the car.
Hey, what the f are you doing, man?
Hey!
Shoot me then, bitch.
Shoot me!
Get out of the car. You two, out of the car.
Shoot me then.
2014.
Get
Out of the car.
Clear the air.
Fuck yourself, get out of the car.
Star Units Code 3. He's got a knife.
Even while deputies are trying to get everyone moved to a safer position, watch the guy in the back seat here. This is the moment the situation starts getting a lot more unpredictable.
Sir, get back here.
What are you gonna shoot me too, man?
Back over here, man.
Hey, get...
Stop!
2214 took the suit. Northbound Vision. Just turned eastbound Highland.
As deputies spread out around the neighborhood trying to contain the area, new information starts coming in from a nearby caller, reporting someone moving through backyards and hopping fences nearby.
Stop right there! Boise Police, stop right there! Do not move! On the ground! All right, I'm challenging him. He's coming at me with the knife.
Now this is the moment officers are trying to prevent from happening. Commands are being repeated, the suspect still isn't stopping, and you can hear the urgency starting to spike fast.
Stop right there! Do not move! Do not move! Shots fired. Suspect is down. Knife is still in his hand. Don't move! I understand that. We love you too. Okay? Put the knife down. Put the knife down.
What started as a routine encounter ultimately turned into a critical incident that left the suspect seriously injured after the situation rapidly escalated. Officers immediately moved in to provide medical aid at the scene before the suspect was transported to a nearby hospital for treatment. Following the incident, an internal investigation was opened to review the officer's use of force, while the suspect later faced multiple charges connected to the encounter. Court records later showed the case ended in a plea agreement tied to aggravated assault on law enforcement, resulting in a prison sentence with the possibility of parole in the future. You can see how quickly situations like this become difficult to control once communication and compliance break down under pressure. Encounters involving heightened emotions, confusion, and rapidly changing decisions can escalate in seconds, leaving officers forced to react in real time. How do you think this situation was handled once the encounter began escalating? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up this breakdown. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Bodycam Breakdown TV, and share this with someone who enjoys real-world police footage and analysis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next breakdown.